Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Wednesday, July the 6th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Let's get into the action overnight. And Wall Street was mixed as investors focus on economic growth in the face of rising interest rates and high inflation. The Dow closing marginally lower as energy stocks took a hit as the oil price plummeted. The tech-heavy Nasdaq gain led by mega-cap growth stocks, despite tech companies ramping up layoffs and hiring freezes amid recession fears. Stocks, specifically the S&P 500's energy sector, traded 5% lower on the day, with shares of Marathon Oil and Halliburton falling more than 8% at one point. Occidental Petroleum and Exxon also dropping more than 2%. And Ford shares hit a 52-week low after the company reported only a slight increase in new vehicle sales for the second quarter. Elsewhere, Zoom was the top performer, gaining almost 9%. After Bristlecone bought 1,800 shares in the company. Google, Amazon and Tesla also posted strong gains. Meanwhile, Barclays cut its price target on Snapchat, declaring a perfect storm is here in digital advertising growth for internet-based companies due to lower spending, plus new competition from TikTok and Apple, saying Snap won't see 50% growth until 2024. Well, US factory orders increased more than expected in May, despite other recent data showing a slowing economy. Manufacturing accounts for 12% of the US economy and is being supported by strong demand for goods, even as the Fed tries to dampen demand by raising interest rates. Factory inventories increased 1.3%. The greenback continues to march higher. The US dollar index up 1.3%, the Aussie dollar falling to a two-year low of 68.7 cents. Negative global sentiment looks set to prompt selling on the local share market. ASX futures are currently down close to 1%. The energy sector will be in focus after global oil prices fell dramatically overnight on fears of a global recession and lockdowns in China. Brent crude falling 9.5% to $102 a barrel. Oil futures sank along with natural gas as mass COVID testing in China fueled fears of potential extended lockdowns there that would cut oil consumption. There are also concerns that the US summer driving season will be curtailed as consumers rein in cost of living expenses. The iron ore futures price rose more than 3%, while base metal prices weakened further, copper falling to its lowest level since November 2020. And gold was also caught up in the selling, losing more than 2%. To sink well below the $1,800 support level as a strengthening US dollar and rising interest rates saw investors desert the non-yielding asset. Meanwhile, Bitcoin has found support above $20,000 US. And that is your day ahead. We'll see you again tomorrow.